Inauguration ceremony of the Courtyard restaurant and Shisha bar held at Woolwich High Street, South East London.
Here at the Courtyard in Woolwich, South East London, we're an Indian fusion restaurant and Shisha lounge. Today is our Christmas party. We have the likes of First Man performing, along with MC Starboy DJing throughout the whole night. We're a 120-seater capacity restaurant and Shisha lounge, giving the best vibes in South East London. Come catch some vibes.
So we're really loving the atmosphere in Courtyard today. It's a brand new restaurant here in London Borough, Greenwich, to be precise, in Woolwich. And it's absolutely fantastic. The decor is amazing. The color scheme, the whole atmosphere is looking really great. The performance, it's been really good as well. The people are still coming, and I'm looking forward to staying on a little bit more and enjoying the whole function for this evening. So so why don't you come along as well?
We are the new era of fine dining, and we provide Indian and British fusion cuisine to our customers in Woolwich. Now today we've got a lovely day set up for Christmas. Everyone's here, we're celebrating, the vibes are high. We've got First Man, the one and only First Man performing today. We've got live music outside. It's a big Bollywood party today on the Christmas day. And we also have a lovely Shisha lounge that's just at the back, and it's definitely somewhere that you need to visit.
Back here at the Courtyard, amazing decor, lovely Shisha, excellent vibes. You've got to come down. We've got First Man here tonight. You've got to come down. Woolwich, Arsenal, Courtyard is the place to be.
So what can I say? Courtyard, it's been amazing. The food, the environment, the Shisha, everything was really good. I'll definitely recommend it for you guys to come down, come and check it out. It's been amazing.
Cool, this is the Courtyard. This is the British Asian fusion restaurant. It's best restaurant, lovely Shisha lounge, lovely food. It's amazing here. Great service, love it.
For magic here in this restaurant. It's a pleasure for me to be here in London. I'm first time here, and the audience is amazing.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, my name is First Man. At the moment, I'm gonna perform here at the Courtyard for my UK tour. And at the moment, I'm traveling around Europe. I'm having a lot of fun, getting a lot of love. The music is going everywhere. So keep watching, keep supporting. We're doing a takeover, a world domination thing. First Man, all over the world. Album coming soon. Make sure you watch it.
What's your future project?
Future projects is my album is coming end of January. It's going to be released worldwide, and hopefully everyone is going to enjoy the music. So keep watching. In terms of performance, I love to perform everywhere where my fans are. The people are supporting me everywhere. They're giving me a lot of love. I'm just enjoying it, and I will keep enjoying it. First Man.